A very good morning, students. Myself, Mrs. Dipali, Standard 7 students. Today we'll start your fifth chapter of history, the foundation of the Swaraj. Today we'll learn in that point introduction, Shahaji Raje, Veer Mata Jizabai, and Shivaji's companion and associate. So first point, that is introduction. In the first half of the 17th century, an epoch making personality emerged in Maharashtra. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, he established Swaraj by challenging the unjust ruling powers. Here, Shivaji Maharaj was born at the Shivneri fort near Junnar in Pune district on the day of Falgun Vaidya Tritiya in the Shaka year 1551, that is on 19 February 1630. In this chapter, we will study about the foundation of the Swaraj. So first point, Shahaji Raje. Shahaji Raje, the father of Shivaji Maharaj, was a preeminent Sardar in the Deccan. The Mughal had launched a campaign to conquer the Nizam Shahi kingdom. The Adil Shah of Bijapur allied with the Mughals in his campaign. Shahaji Maharaj did not wish the Mughals to get an entry into the south. So, he tried to save Nizam Shahi by offering stiff resistance to the Mughals. But he could not withstand the combined might of the Mughals and the Adil Shah. The Nizam Shahi was defeated and came to an end in 1636. C. After the Nizam Shahi was wiped out, Shahaji Raje became a Sardar of the Adil Shahi of Bijapur. The region comprising Pune, Supe, Indapur and Sakan Parganas, located between the Bhima and Nira rivers, was vested in Shahaji Raje as Jagir. This was continued by Adil Shah, and he also granted the Jagir of Bangalore and neighboring areas in Karnataka to Shahaji Raje. Shahaji Raje was valiant, courageous, intelligent and great political expert. He was an excellent archer. He was also an expert in using the sword, patta and spear. He loved his subject. He had won many regions in Maharashtra, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. South India was in awe of him. While Shivaji and Jizabai were at Bangalore, he had arranged for providing excellent education to Shivaji so as enabled him to become a king. He himself aspired to establish Swaraj by ousting the powers of foreign people. That is why he is known as Swaraj Visionary. He sent Shivaji and Jizabai from Bangalore to Pune with lawyer and companion associate. The next point, Veer Mata Jizabai. Jizabai was the daughter of great Sardar Lakhoji Raje Jadhav of Sindhkhed Raja in Buldhana district. At a young age, she had received military training as well as the education in various subjects. She helped and encouraged Shahaji Maharaj to realize his dream of establishing Swaraj. She was a competent and visionary political expert. She constantly guided Shivaji in the mission of establishing Swaraj. At times, she undertook task of giving verdicts of resolving the problems of people. She was very particular about giving excellent education to Shivaji. She instilled him values like modesty, truthfulness, oratory, vigilance, courage, and fearlessness. She saw that he was trained in the uses of weapons and inspired him the will to win and the dream of Swaraj. Then next point, Shivaji Maharaj and his companion associate. Shivaji Maharaj started the work of founding the Swaraj in the Mawal region. The Mawal terrain is full of hills and valleys and is not easily accessible. Shivaji Raje made use of these geographical features of Mawal very skillfully for the purpose of foundation of the Swaraj. He created a feeling of trust and affection in the minds of the people. Many companions and associates joined him in his work of founding the Swaraj. Among them were Yesaji Kang, Baji Palaskar, Bapuji Mudgal, Neharkar, Deshpande brothers, कावजी कुंढाळकर, जीवा महाला, तानाजी मालुसरे, कान्होजी जेदे, बाजी प्रभू देशपांडे and Dadaji Narsa Prabhu Deshpande On the strength of this associate, Shivaji Maharaj undertook the cause of Swaraj.